It's 9 p.m. You sit down to watch Netflix. The video buffers. You open a new tab. It loads like dial-up. But this morning, your internet was flying. So what changed? If your Wi-Fi slows down every single night, you're not imagining it. And it's not your router dying. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to explain every single reason this happens and exactly what you can do about each one.
Reason 2. Your internet provider might actually be slowing you down on purpose. This is called throttling. During peak hours, that 7 to 11 p.m. window, some ISPs reduce speeds across the board to manage the load on their network. They call it network management. You call it frustrating. There's also data cap throttling. If you're on Comcast and you've burned through your 1.2 terabyte monthly limit, which is easier to hit than you think with 4K streaming, your speeds drop dramatically for the rest of that month. Here's how to tell if you're being throttled. Run a speed test normally, then run it again using a VPN. If your speeds jump up with the VPN on, that's your ISP throttling specific traffic types. Your connection is fine, they're just limiting it. Reason 3. This one's inside your house. At night, everyone in your home is online at the same time. Your kid's on the Xbox, your partner's on Netflix, you're on a Zoom call, and your phone is in the background uploading photos to iCloud. Every device connected to your router shares the same bandwidth. Your router has a limit. When all those devices compete for it at the same time, everyone gets less. And here's the sneaky part: background activity. Your iPhone backs up to iCloud automatically at night. Your Ring doorbell streams video. Windows updates quietly download. Your smart TV updates its apps. You're not doing anything heavy, but your network is.
Reason 4. Your router itself. Routers are small computers, and like any computer, they can get overloaded. After running all day, some cheaper routers get hot and throttle their own performance to cool down. Also, if you've had a lot of devices connecting and disconnecting throughout the day, your router's memory can get fragmented. A simple restart clears this and often gives you a noticeable speed boost. It's worth doing once a week. Reason 5. At night, when your neighbors are all home and their routers are active, your Wi-Fi is fighting with their Wi-Fi for the same channels. This is called interference. Most home routers run on the 2.4 GHz band by default. There are only 3 non-overlapping channels on that band: channels 1, 6, and 11. If every router in your building is on channel 6, they're all stepping on each other. Switching your router to the 5 GHz band fixes this instantly. 5 GHz has shorter range, but way less interference, and it's almost always faster for devices that are close to the router.
All right, you now know exactly why it's happening. Here are the fixes, ranked from easiest to most impactful. Fix 1. Restart your router tonight. Seriously, just unplug it, wait 30 seconds, plug it back in. This clears memory, resets connections, and gets you on a cleaner channel. Do this once a week. Fix 2. Switch your devices to the 5 GHz band. Go into your Wi-Fi settings on your phone or laptop, look for a network name that ends in 5G or _5GH, connect to that instead. You'll feel the difference immediately on any device within 30 feet of your router. Fix 3. Turn off background app activity at night. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and turn it off for apps that don't need it. On Windows, set your connection to metered to stop Windows Update from downloading in the background. Fix 4. Use a wired Ethernet connection for your most important device. If you're gaming, watching 4K, or on a work call, plug in directly to your router. Your Wi-Fi congestion literally doesn't affect a wired connection. Fix 5. If you're consistently getting throttled and you've already hit your data cap, call your ISP and ask about unlimited plans. Comcast, for example, charges about $30 extra per month to remove the 1.2 terabyte cap. For heavy streamers, it's worth it. And fix 6, the nuclear option. Switch to fiber. If AT&T Fiber, Google Fiber, or Ziply Fiber is available in your zip code, it eliminates shared congestion completely.
Fiber gives you a dedicated line that doesn't slow down when your neighbors are online.
So, to recap, your Wi-Fi slows down at night because of neighborhood congestion, ISP throttling, your own home network, router fatigue, and Wi-Fi interference. The fastest fixes are switching to 5 GHz and restarting your router tonight. If this video helped, subscribe. I explain tech stuff like this every week in plain English. Next video, I'm breaking down every type of internet connection in America and which one is actually worth paying for.